Willy Mutunga.
Ni miaka itano ya utungata. Miaka itano iria mucirithania Willy Mutunga aroiga ni ahingitie kiroto giake gia kugacirithia utungata wa magoti ona gutuika ni agirekire maingi. Hariwe muthingi murumuni mwambike na ruhonge rwa igoti no rugacire tiga muingi ungiurekereria gathwa karia marahingiricanaga nako ugacirithia-ini wa ruhonge ruu rwa bata bururi-ini.
These forces will not simply fade away if we do not stand up to them. It's up to all of you who will now remain in the judiciary and the Kenyans who are invested in the judiciary that delivers to stop the termites and encourage and glorify those who embrace transformation.
Mutunga aroiga mundu utonete ugaruruku uria wikikite magoti-ini ndarenda ruhonge rwa igoti rugacire.
These gains can only be denied by those who wish the judiciary ill, or those that are interested in turning back the clock of time to a judiciary that public viewed with suspicion and scorn, and one where there was intimidation, victimization, and disempowerment of colleagues.
Kunyihanyihia mutindikano wa macira maria mari igoti-ini kwandiko kwacirithania aingi ona kugacirithia utungata wa magoti no undu ungi Mutunga aretira.
This has been a wonderful journey, and as one leader said, the life of humanity or institutions is one large story, and what each one of us tries to do is merely to get our paragraph right.
Nari na ndumiriri kuri ateti guku bururi-ini.
If they do not rise above the parochial, ethnic and jingoistic politics, as long as they frown upon dialogue and continue to maintain bigotry rather than ideology as the fuel and the framework of politics, we risk everything that we have put in to build this country.
Mutunga riu ni ahetwo wira wa mwanya ni ngwataniro ya mabururi maria mathagwo ni Ngeretha wa kunyitithania atongoria a bururi wa Maldives.
The overarching mandate is to support a sustainable political dialogue process leading to a strong climate of pluralism, inclusive elections in 2018, and to encourage strengthening of democratic institutions and a culture in the Maldives.
No ndanatiga ruhonge rwa igoti uguo tondu mucirithania Justice Mohamed Ibrahim niwe ukurugamirira igoti itogeru. Jaji Paul Kihara Kariuki igoti ria gucokia cira riko, mucirithania Richard Mwongo arugamirire igoti nene na mwandikithia wa igoti agukorwo ari o An Amadi.
This team constitutes the Judiciary Leadership Advisory Council and will offer directions on the operations of each court.
Ritana riake akiuga ni ati ruhonge rwa igoti ruri ona wira murito gucokia mwihoko wa muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV gitagwo Macharia wa Mugo.